If I was going to use one word to describe the last decade, it's dispersion, right? That I talked a lot about that growth value dispersion getting so wide. There was a huge dispersion created between old and new. I mentioned this sort of disconnect in the gap, the dispersion created between the earnings of financial companies and their market caps, their valuations. That dispersion creating a real opportunity. But you're absolutely right, Jenna. I think another major dispersion has been the performance of the US market, not just in the last year or two, but over the last decade, has so dramatically outperformed international markets. It's created a huge dispersion in valuations. And that valuation dispersion creates a big opportunity. So, yes, we have been allocating more and more to international, where we find companies that are just as well managed, just as dominant, just as profitable, but often selling at 30, 40, 50% discounts to their US counterparts. So we like that. And by the way, going back to your early question about inflation, we also think having some diversification in terms of whether it's owning a wonderful business in Norway or a wonderful business in Denmark or a wonderful business in China or a wonderful business in Singapore also creates a little bit of useful diversification. And the idea that these international companies with those quality characteristics are selling at such a discount to their US counterparts creates real opportunity. So we do think advisors should be looking internationally.